3rd of February 2012. The winter arrived to Subotica and the Siberian cold. The snow started this morning, 6 o'clock. It's not a huge amount, but the temperature is minus 12 degrees. So definitely the snow will stay for a longer period of time. And it will snow tomorrow the whole day, according to the weather forecast. So I will enjoy it very much and make some little bit of video around in the town. In Serbia there was a lot of snow already a week ago. In Ivanjica, in Užice, Crni Vrh mountain, 3-4 meters fell in this last week. Several villages are blocked even. The police did not came still till several villages. This is the sport hall where we play table tennis often. And this is the Alija Marshal Tita street. Silent and lots of snow. Beautiful. Oh, and they are cleaning, bravo. Approaching the beautiful town hall in this fairy tale winter day. Sculpture with the Olympic medals winners from Serbia.
Onda može. To je po nama 20. Brate, a čekaj, ti dobro civilni nisi tu?
Ajde, ne vidimo, ovo ti ne idem brzo.
Pa evo, sad sam malo.
Nabaci to šal. Ide? Neće ići gore.
Ne, da kuća, kao vreme.
Znači, smrzlo mi se tamo nešto i...
This is through the webcam. I will put the link in the comment. Trg Republike, the main square in Subotica.